Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today we're going to do an unboxing on a very cool pair of shoes. This is a pair of Carlos Santos. Now, Costas at the Noble Shoe is a good friend, and he always brings me up to speed and lets me know new offers that he's doing with Carlos Santos. And this was a pair that was just too pretty not to take advantage of. And so they come with bags, cool shoehorn, Carlos Santos shoehorn there. And as we look at this, this is Bison. Now, this is Bison on a Ridgeway sole. Very similar to the boots that I unboxed the other day, but this is a plain toe blucher. Now, that is a very, very cool looking Bison. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab two Bison shoes from my collection so that we can take a closer look at different types of Bison. Now, these are much higher end shoes, but they are in fact Bison. So these are here. Now, this is my Dragon Skin Adelaides, right? Which is Bison, but it has this really cool buffing to bring out that pattern. And then this is a pair of St. Crispins. Okay. You can see they have a big pattern here, a little pattern there. And then we have Carlos Santos. Now this is this, they call it Jamaican Bison. No, this is not Jamaican Bison. This is just Bison. It's Jamaican Kudo, which are the pair that I had the other day, but these are different. So I want to point that out. I misspoke, as I do from time to time. These are not Jamaican Kudo. These are Bison. Look at that. Not like the boots. Very, very different. And very cool. Now, if you look at them, you can see the similarity. And I'll bet when I give these, hit them with a conditioner, they're going to look a lot like these. Now, these were less than $400, and these were like $1,800. So, pretty big difference. And this is Goodyear Welt Construction. Soles. Stitch density not very high, but it's rubber sole, so it doesn't necessarily have to be. Storm Welt, very clean. Did a nice job. All said and done, very clean. Single stitch at the back. Carlos Santos shoe trees. Now I need to go through and look at my order from them because I thought they were going to send a spare pair of shoes as well, which they did not. But again, here we are. And this just looks extraordinary. So, a little something there, which I'm gonna have to clean up. It just looks like the plastic that they wrap around it when they're doing the edging. And, it's really tricky, right? When you're doing a Bison, basically they call this a hole cut blucher, because it's basically a hole cut shoe. This is one piece of leather, and then they sew on the blucher, which is here, and you can see how well it's constructed there. Here you can actually see the stitches if you look close. They, you have to have, it's different than you have here because this is two different pieces of leather. And so you have the different grains, and you got to match them. Here it's all one grain because it's all one piece of leather. So they matched here, so it doesn't look weird. They did a nice job there. Pattern doesn't match perfectly, but look at that. They actually have the grain kind of goes through like that. That's pretty well done. So really nice job by Carlos Santos on these Bison plain toe bluchers. Now, I talked about plain toe bluchers in my video the other day. I have walked away from this as a primary part of my collection strategy, but Bison is hard to find. And these are just so pretty. I had to get these on. They're just great. Really, really looking forward to getting these on the hoof and wearing them. So this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I'm out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.